How to make passive income with ChatGPT AI for beginners. So for this, all you need is a ChatGPT and the website called Fiverr. So let's discuss the topic copywriting here. If you search for copywriting services, here you will find a lot of option with the amount that pays really good. So how you can do this is all you need is an article or a topic. For an example, I'm copying this topics right here. Now just copy this and paste it in your chat GPT. Now once you do that, chat GPT itself will elaborate each point to you and you will be able to just copy this article or this passage and paste it to your doc and upload it to Fiverr according to your given assignment. And just by doing this, you'll be able to earn hundreds of dollars in a day. As you can even see in this website, the starting is from $1,775. That is a steal. So if you want to earn a lot of money with a little hardship, this is definitely a way to earn a good amount of money. Hopefully you will give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.